Hello and greetings from Alaska. Thank you for watching Copper State Treasures. Today's a very, very exciting day. I have received my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now with you the most exciting experience, and that's new phone day, and especially with the way Apple packages their phones, it's fantastic. So we're going to show a little bit of a difference between the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the iPhone 11 Pro, which is the one that I've had for the last year. This video is going to be all about just unboxing the new 13 Pro Max. So on the back, I actually fumbled with it for a while trying to figure out how to open it, but then I looked and saw these little teeny green arrows. So you are supposed to pull those. So we'll do the top one, and then we're going to do the bottom one. And then this bad boy will just slide right open. Right away, this thing just screams, look at me. It's very sleek. The color that I picked is that super light silver blue. It's beautiful. The color is striking. There's not a scratch on it. The camera lenses are all very vibrant and shiny. Oh boy. So I can tell you right off the bat that this phone feels solid. I know some of you guys that are in love with your Androids, some of those phones, even though when they start to get bigger, they start feeling plasticky and kind of flimsy. You know exactly what I'm talking about. This phone is, it's not heavy, but it feels very solid in the hand. The things that they've changed from the 11 that I have, the 11 had kind of rounded edges. These ones have like a chromed outline along the sides and along the top. It's going to be able to use the same cord as before. Now I'm going to show you a size comparison between, I don't know if you guys still have the 11s. I don't do my phones but once every couple years, so I didn't get the 12 at all. But this is the 11 and this is the 13 Pro Max side by side. You can tell in the back, mine had the 2 cameras. I believe they had an 11 Max that had the 3 cameras, but I didn't buy it. But I got it for this one just because everybody ran some raves about this beautiful camera. Very excited to check it out. Again, the phone feels very good in my hand. It's not plastic or flimsy. It feels very solid, like a tool almost. That's the best way I can describe it. The things that come with it, looks like we get their signature Apple sticker. This right here is the little tool to do the reset thing. There's a little reset thing in there that you have to do when you're resetting your phone. And then it also comes with the charging cable. Now, this particular phone comes with a C charging cable, and it doesn't come with the actual plug. So if you guys are used to using your USB and you don't have one of the plugs for one of these, just keep in mind you're going to have to purchase one of those. It also did not come with headphones like the other ones did, but you know, I don't ever really listen with those things anyways. So that was my official opening of the 13 Pro Max. I hope you guys sincerely enjoyed it. Looks like we also have a little clear plastic for you to put over the glass there if you wanted to. That is my unopening of the 13 Pro Max. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm going to turn this thing on and have some fun. As I start to understand and use some of the newer features, maybe I'll do another little video and let you know how we're liking it. Thank you so much again for watching, and please like and subscribe.